finding out Kofi's diagnosis, we felt lost and helpless and just wanted the best for him. After getting him diagnosed with Auditory Neuropathy Spectrum Disorder, ANSD, we moved forward with early intervention, moving between specialists and navigating our way through different services. We have now found specialists and speech therapists that suit Kofi's needs. We are currently working with Kofi's listening skills and focusing on 2-item auditory memory, and have started to work on developing understanding and use of early verbs. And mouth, good boy, mouth. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? Mouth, good boy. Up. Build it up. Build it up. Build it. Build it up. What's this one?
A cow.
A cow. A cow says moo.
Mine. Mine. It's mine. Mine. Yes. He's saying, it's mine. He's saying, it's my hill. And he's saying, no, 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 no. It's my hill.